Well, we had a little delay. Darren's tire is still leaking air, so Justin had to go back and let him use the compressor. Let's just hope that worked. Did it work?
His tire, it's not the plug. His valve stem's fucked. He forgot to put his cap on.
Oh.
So it must have got a rock or something in there now. And
Oh.
so he's got a gasketed cap from the front that he put on.
Oh.
So,
okay.
Did it leak at all? Oh, 37. Nice.
Justin,
Yeah.
you want to let him go first?
Sure.
Darren, are you there? Darren, are you there?
Or just put him in the middle or whatever.
Hello.
Darren, you want to go in the lead in case you have problems, or?
He doesn't have a GPS.
No, I'm okay. I've got the air compressor now. And
Oh, you do? Okay. All right.
Yeah, we finally started thinking.
Well, at least you know what your list looks like for the next trip.
Yeah.
That's too bad that happened. So you lost your valve cap?
I guess.
Probably sitting right next to your USB charger.
Yeah. Hopefully that doesn't get run over.
Like I said, I have one that you can have. I don't even use it. I must have about 6 of them at home. Well, I had plenty of time to do some maintenance. I was able to grease up my kickstand, got that fixed, greased my chain all up. What was that? You're breaking up. Maybe I got you there now.